Whoa. Look at that shit.
Wow.
That has got some girth to me.
Nice work.
Whoa, that
That's
thing almost, man, if that was 27, that would be a winner now.
That's a nice fish right there.
Is, man.
Man,
I
that
told you
pole.
they were going to be fat here just a minute ago. When I saw
Yeah,
the
you
fat
did
mullet,
say-
I said the
Yeah.
redfish are going to be fat here.
That pole wasn't in the water 2 minutes. Oh yeah.
Class. Look how I hit it. It bobbed on it and then it took off. Fucking slob. Let me
Sweet.
Poppy, you need to hold on to that
Yeah,
bad
he's
boy.
gonna hold it.
We're gonna get a couple pics of that.
Move.
Yeah, that's oh my God! Look at that.
That is a turn. 27.
Ah,
On
How
the money.
fat that baby. I bet this thing's 10
That's a winner.
pounds.
here we go.
Here, I'll get you. Go on the bow. Show up the trophy.
Oh yeah.
Stand up there. Look how fat. Oh my God. I can't believe that thing's 20.
That is a beautiful fish.
Think
That's
you
a
even-
winning
I
tournament
think you
fish.
said
right
that
there.
too, didn't you? Top of the slot. The man. He's the man.
Woo!